Welcome to Naples, Italy, and today we're exploring the city from up to down and having a great time at it. We're starting off at Castel Nuovo. It is a beautiful castle that is right behind me, right off the coast. And it looks very majestic, and we're having a great time over here. So let's go ahead and see what's next, baby. Look what we've got right behind us, an amazing piece of architecture. Well, in Europe, I mean, we all know architecture is a huge thing. We're literally just walking to our next destination. We see this beautiful museum that is right behind me with amazing architecture, great history, and great vibes. We saw a lot of different tourists, taking pictures with this thing, and then I just wanted to tag you guys along just so you guys can observe the beauty of this beautiful architecture right here. Let's get into it. Just like that, we have made it to our next stop, Plaza del Telebito. And this is just, it looks very fantastic. It's reminding me of a Pantheon right from Rome. And I mean, as you guys can see, it's very vast, very beautiful, and all over. The beautiful architecture, the vastness of this thing. I honestly sometimes wonder how these people are, building stuff like this, especially back in the day when they didn't have the amount of machinery and the resources that we have nowadays. So very, very impressive stuff. Lots of tourists, as you guys can see, taking videos, taking pictures, because this beauty right here is unmatched. And we're observing this, and you guys are observing this with us. Let's get into it. Next stop, baby. Imagine going to the mall. Let's say you want to go to Sephora. And you're thinking, hey, maybe it's just a standard mall. Well, in Naples, Italy, malls are not standard because nothing in Italy is standard. Let's say I was thinking about going to Sephora. I walked in from over there. This grand, giant little rise. I don't even know what this thing is called, but this thing opens up and it's like, all right, I guess in the Google Maps it's taking me here. But then I just keep going and I'm like, oh my goodness. Is a mall supposed to look like this? With the beautiful glass dome ceiling right on top? This does not look like a mall. This looks like a piece of architecture. This looks like beauty in general. And this is exactly where we're at. And if you can see on the left-hand side, you'll actually see just a normal store, Sephora. And let's say, people, women in Naples are basically coming in here, going to Sephora like that, and they have views like this. This is nothing more than magical. This is nothing more than majestic. And one other thing I did want to tell you guys. So come over here with me. Does this sound a little familiar to you? Well, this sounds very familiar to me because if you've seen the movie Willy Wonka, the Willy Wonka is actually in a mall just like this. And in this square is where Willy Wonka has, some sort of stuff. So what I'm wondering here is whether the movie Willy Wonka, the mall that was in there, whether it was based on this specific mall. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to need to do a little bit of research. Maybe you guys can do some research and let me know in the comments down below. But this looks very, very familiar. But wow, what a beautiful, magical, and amazing mall this is. We're going to explore a little bit more of it. And just like that, guys, we have made it to our next stop. This spot is actually called the Gritty Naples. It's these narrow streets. And with people basically living around here, one of the main things around here is actually the laundry that you're kind of able to see. People actually dry their laundry just like this. So very cool vibes around here. It's these narrow streets. Very historic, very cool, and people are just living their lives just like the locals that they are and having a great time. Wow, what a great authentic experience to Naples this is. Let's get to the next stop. Just like that, guys, we had such a great time right here in Naples, Italy, and wow, what beautiful architecture, what beautiful culture, and what beautiful vibes we had. An amazing time. Let's go, Naples. Let's get on to the next destination.